Leprosy in Florida. Did you guys see this? CNN has a story out that says that Florida is the new hotbed for leprosy. Let's talk a little bit about leprosy. So leprosy is a disease that's caused by a bacteria similar to tuberculosis that affects the skin and the nerves, the peripheral nerves primarily. It is transmitted by way of close, prolonged contact with another person that has it. So it's not very contagious. Because leprosy affects the nerves, it can cause a loss of sensation and loss of innervation to the tissues, which could result in damage. It can cause the muscles to contract because the nerves are not allowing them to function correctly. It can lend itself to infections because minor injuries are not noticed if you can't feel the pain of an infection. And these things produce the common stigmata of the disease. There are treatments for leprosy, but the problem is it may be missed initially by American doctors because the disease is rare and we don't see it that often. It can present like a normal skin rash, right? Especially at first. So you can imagine how easily something like this is confused with, say, eczema or psoriasis or dermatitis, right? But the diagnosis is made by biopsy combined with other clinical criteria, and the treatment is a combination of oral antibiotics, like a cocktail of oral antibiotics specifically designed to kill this bug, and it's taken for about 6 months, but up to 12 months depending on the characteristics of the type of leprosy or the way it's manifesting in your body. This disease is or can be disfiguring, but it's usually not fatal. So what can you do? Well, I believe that knowledge is power. So now that you know it exists, that's a good thing. So if you develop a rash and you are in a place where cases are being reported, now you know that you can kind of provide this information to your physician or your healthcare provider, and you can have it checked out with a little bit more direction.